Good morning. I'm Barbara Tobias. I'm here in the Mena Art Gallery, and today with me is Henry Moreno.
Good morning, Barbara.
How are you?
I'm fantastic. People always laugh when I say that, but at my age, I'm fantastic.
I'll buy that. You paint in a variety of media, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Tell me a little about it.
Well, I've been painting since I was about 8, and I've learned a lot by myself. I've been to a lot of workshops. I've had a lot of good mentors and coaches, portrait artists and landscape artists, and the Art Students League in New York, and that kind of thing. So I paint in all medias, and since you asked about medias, I'm going to show you a watercolor portrait. And for the last 20 years, I've been doing portraits like this one. This one is actually a Z clay. It's a print process. We're using archival inks on the same watercolor paper as the original. And what you do with watercolor is a little bit different.
Here.
Okay.
And we'll just
Okay,
switch
that's
sides.
good. Well, that's a good idea. This one is a scene also in watercolor, and you notice they're very vivid. I do a vivid style, and it amounts to going over the white paper and glazing it, so you still get the brightness of the watercolor. And I'll be doing some of those for an upcoming show and the Ouachita Arts Trail Studio Tour, which is in October.
Right.
So I'll have several paintings I want to do in both watercolor, oil, and I may do several pastels as well. This is an oil. Actually, it's a Z clay oven oil. The originals of these Z clays have been sold. This is called Stop for the Light. And I'm doing more stuff for me because I used to show in galleries, and that was very demanding. Half the time spent running around galleries. And then I used to start doing portraits, and I did portraits and commissions for about the last 20 years professionally. And now I'm reverting to doing what I want to do. This one's called Stop for the Light. And there's a little stop light right there. And it makes people think about stopping for the light over here. And that was the intent of the picture. Now, most people probably don't get it unless I tell them about it. But
Well, you can enjoy the picture even if you don't get it.
and this is actually a study in oil. This is what's called a color study. Now, this started out as a black and white charcoal drawing, which was varnished over, and then a Z clay, or I'm sorry, a Grisal or a grayscale painting is done over that, so that you get your lights and darks in black and white. It looks just like a photograph, a black and white photograph when you're done. And then you glaze over that with oil paints. That's the old master's traditional method of doing portraits. Now, this is the color study for one which was a commission, which I don't have the commission because the family in Eureka Springs, who's bought about 4 of my paintings, have it now. And this one I entered in the Ouachita Expression Show, and it won Best of Show. And this is not as good as the original, or the final piece, rather. So I'll be doing these kinds of things and more southwesterny kinds of subjects this fall, because I want to transition to this location. I've moved here 2 years ago, and I would like to transition to more southwest Arkansas and southwest in general. I'm doing Indian, teepees, scenes, and that kind of thing for the Ouachita Expression Show and for the tour this year.
And you're going to be demonstrating how you paint here the last week in August, the week that spans the last of August and the 1st of September.
August 28th through September 3rd. I plan on being here all week from about 10 o'clock in the morning until 5 o'clock. except for Wednesday when we have a show changeover. You know, the Beta Gallery has a new show every month, and we really want to invite people to come to the receptions every month. And by the way, if you're not a member, you ought to be. It's only $20 for the membership, and the receptions have food and drink. Come to a couple of receptions, and you will more than have gotten your $20 worth. So it's really a good deal, and it does support the gallery quite a bit.
Not only that, they get a copy of the newsletter every month to find out what else is going on.
Right. And by the way, we're having the guest artist kind of thing, and I'll be working in the gallery and invite people to come in. If you have any questions at all, if you thought about painting, if you want to know where to, how to, this is the place to find out. And come on in and ask me. Look over my shoulder. You can criticize my work too if you want.
And I can speak from experience that Henry is an excellent teacher. I am still not a grade A painter, but I'm better than I used to be.
Yes, you are a good painter. Yes, you are. In fact, Barbara did a picture that I'm working on right now of an Indian chief called Bull Bear. And that's part of the series of ones that I want to do for this fall. That one is still an underpainting. It's monochromatic. It's done in burnt sienna. It's one color only. And that one happened to have apparitions come out in it. People don't believe that happens, but it does. I've had 6 out of 1,000 paintings or more where apparitions appeared. Figures come out of the background by themselves, and sometimes I enhance them and bring them out. Sometimes I just try to cover them up because they're phenomenal. They have nothing to do with me, by the way. They're always pertinent to the subject in the painting. In fact, I bring the paintings to people sometimes when I'm doing a portrait, for example, and they say, oh, wow, yeah, and they tell me how they relate to that. Or, that's somebody I knew when I was 20. The person was 65 at the time.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it is to me, too. I don't know what's happening, but it happens once in a while.
Okay. And if you're here to watch Henry paint and ask questions, the 28th, 29th, or 30th of August, the 3D and Pottery show will still be up. So you get 2 for 1 coming in then. The last of the week, the September 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, the Ouachita Expression show will be up. And of course, as Henry told you, we're not open on that Wednesday because we're switching shows.
But come in on the other days.